Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a link to Instagram Reels. Adding a link to your website, online store, or a specific landing page can help drive traffic from your Instagram Reels to your external platform. This can be valuable for business, creators, or individuals looking to expand their online presence. So, first of all, you need to open up the Instagram app first. After opening the app, you need to tap on the Your Story icon from the top left corner. Now, from Your Story, choose the camera icon option. Once you open up the camera, you will find different options under the recording button, such as Reel, Live, Story, and Post. So, choose the Reel option and tap to record a reel from here. After recording the reel, tap on the next button. Now, to add a link, you need to tap on the sticker icon from the top bar. Then, search for the Add Link sticker here. Choose any of the following stickers from here, such as a link in bio, and place it anywhere on the video. Once you are satisfied, tap on the next button and then share it on your feed. Because you can't add a link into Reels, what you're going to do is go into your profile. Tap to edit profile from here. Now, in your profile's basic details, you need to add the link to your bio. So, tap on bio and enter the link, or you can also paste the link you copied earlier. Once you add the link, tap on Done from the top right corner. And now, the link has been added to your profile successfully. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.